This is Jenny Naslund, and I will be the facilitator for the Edge 21 Fall Schoology course. In this video, I will be giving you an overview of the course and what to expect. We'll start by looking at some of the materials you'll see when you first log into the Schoology course. At the top, you'll notice a course overview and instructions. In this document, you will find a description of the organization of the course, how our self-assessments and learning lessons work, and our application activities. You'll also find a description of the pacing and where to get assistance if you need it. We'll be discussing many of those in this video. In the course, where you first start is the opening act. In the opening act folder, you'll learn about our expectations, an overview of our Edge 21 course, and also a welcome from us. There's a quick reflection for you to complete about what you're looking to learn in this course. Please make sure you take a few minutes to complete that reflection in the opening act. You'll also find some Edge 21 resources that can help you throughout the course. Things such as how to post in Schoology, take a screenshot, create a screencast, and many other tools that might help you as you are navigating the Schoology course. The rest of the course is laid out into different units. In each unit, you will have your learning targets on the outside of the folder of what we'll be covering. Within each unit, you will start with a self-assessment. The self-assessment is a way to help you decide or help you see which skills you know and which ones you need to work on. Based on your self-assessment, you will complete learning lessons that you need to complete. You do not need to complete all of them if you understand them based on the self-assessment that you took. You may jump through and complete just the ones that you feel like you need more learning on. Once you've completed the learning lessons, then you will go to the application activities. In the application section, you will be able to choose between beginner, intermediate, and advanced application activities. You can make a decision about which level you're on based on that self-assessment. If you score between a 0 and 50%, you should be working on the beginner application, or if you'd like to challenge yourself, you can always do more. If you score between 50 and 80%, we would recommend the intermediate application, and if you scored an 80 to 100%, we would recommend the advanced application option. Once you've completed your application, you will post your application of your learning in the discussion board for that unit. The other units are laid out very similarly as Unit 1. We have Unit 2 covers user profile settings in Schoology. Unit 3 covers course creation in Schoology. Unit 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 focus more on the actual creating of materials in Schoology. For these units, you will need to create a course and add me, again, Jenny Naslund, as a member to your course so that I can review the materials that you're creating in Schoology. Unit 4 will focus on course materials and adding them into your Schoology course. Unit 5 will focus on groups and how to use them and effectively manage them in Schoology. Unit 6 will focus on resources and how to use those resources within groups and use those resources within your course. Unit 7 will focus on the gradebook aspect of Schoology, and Unit 8 will focus on the course management. Lastly, at the end of the course, you'll do the final countdown where you'll do a reflection and set a goal for what you've learned for the rest of the school year. Throughout the course, you'll notice that we have some dates over here on the side. This is our recommended pace for the course, and if you click on this little calendar button, you'll be able to bring it up in calendar view. Now this course, this pace is recommended, it's not required. You may complete the course in any speed that you'd like. You can do multiple units in a day, or you can spread it out over the pace that is recommended. We do ask that the first half of the course is completed by November 6th. Half the course would be 4 units, so you should have at least units 1, 2, 3, and 4 completed by November 6th in order to earn the flexible workshop time. Basically, if you complete the 4 units, just like your coworkers who completed the summer Edge 21 courses, you'll be able to leave early on the workshop day. The second half of the course, the full course, needs to be completed by January 15th. So that would be units 5, 6, 7, and 8 in order to receive the flex time of that second workshop day, like those who completed the course over the summer. So that's a little bit about the pacing of the course. Other things that you should know is updates on the side here. We will post updates here related to the course. Might post due dates or questions for the group would show up in this update section. You can also click on Gradebook to see kind of where you're at in the course. This will show you how much you've completed and what other aspects you need to complete. This can be very useful if you've started the course and then take a break for a while and then return to the course to know where you left off. So that's an overview of our fall Schoology course. We hope that you find this educational and that you'll be able to apply a lot of what you've learned into your classroom. At any point throughout the course you have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. Again, I'm Jenny Naslund, and I look forward to working to you as you work through our Schoology course.